How to share contact on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can share contact on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device, and from this section, you'll find the contact you want to share. After clicking on the contact, you will reach to their chat page. Here, click on that profile of that contact and you will guide it to be this page. Here at the top, you will find 3 vertical dots. Click on that dots to access more menu. From here, you will find share contact option. Click on it and now select the person to whom you want to share this contact with. Once you have found the person you want to share the contact with, click on their profile and a pop-up will appear where you can attach a message to them. After that, click on the send button and you have successfully shared contact on WeChat to someone. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.